Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a Google form set as a Google quiz that I use as a formative assessment tool in algebra. So what you see here is a Google form. This is about the definition of exponents, positive and negative exponents, and the product of powers rule. And I have set this as a quiz, which you do in settings. And this automatically scores the questions that the students submit based on the number of points that you can set. So I have 4 questions here. The first question is a product of powers rule. And if a student selects the correct answer here, it will just automatically take them to question 2, which is another product of powers rule. If they select this question correctly, it takes them to question 3, which is a negative exponent. And if they select that correctly, it takes them to question 4, which is another negative exponent rule. If they selected questions 1 or 2 incorrectly, I have this set to take them to a new section. It's called my product of powers rule, and this section directs the students to watch a video and try questions 1 and 2 again. So this has a YouTube video, and then they can resubmit question 1 and question 2. If they got question 3 or 4 wrong, it takes them to a different review section, and this one reviews negative exponents. Again, there's directions for the students to watch a YouTube video and try questions 3 and 4 again. So here's what this looks like from a student's point of view. They can type in a email address, and I'm going to select a correct answer for question 1. If I do that, hit next, takes me directly to question 2. I'm going to select this one correctly as well, and this takes me to section 3, or question 3. This one I'm going to select the incorrect answer so you can see what it does if a student picks the incorrect answer. So choice A is incorrect, so I'm going to hit next, and it takes them to the negative exponent definition and directs them to watch a YouTube video, which is a short video, and then they can try question 3 again, which the correct answer is choice D. And then here they can also try question 4, which the correct answer is A. And then they can submit the form. There's a message saying that they've completed it. And I'm going to take you back over to what the teacher sees. So now there are 2 responses, and I can look at these individually, well, as a summary of everybody's, as per question. So I can see that both of these individuals got question 2 correctly, or question 1 correctly. So there's the first one. I can also view as an individual. So the first individual is also me. It's in a different email address, and it shows me all of their questions. So they got question 1 correct, question 2 correct, question 3 incorrect, which then I have to scroll down to the section with the negative exponent definition, and they got number 3 correct the second time around. This is also a very powerful tool, whether you have it it's set to do different things for correct or incorrect answers just by being able to look at the data for everybody's quiz in one place. So I can create a spreadsheet that will show the different responses, and it will show, so for question 1, both people answered C, which is the correct choice, and so on and so on. So I can do data analysis to see, okay, did everybody get question 3 incorrect? And then maybe that's something that I need to address in the following day's lesson. So I hope that this shows you how powerful Google Forms can be for formative assessments. I use this on a weekly basis in my class just to get a snapshot of what the students know and don't know, and whether I have to reteach something, or if I use it as a like a pre-assessment, if I even need to teach that topic at all. Thank you.